Hey, Jack and Arturo. So, weird one. The spindle speed control has actually been working all this time, but either I'm unable to understand the calibration screen, because I actually went into calibration. Arturo mentioned in his last email to see the pulley setup. If I turn the spindle on with 5,000 RPM in there, right, it comes on to 5,000, but in reality I can't turn the spindle. It won't go to anything smaller than 5,000 anyway. That's the slowest this spindle will run, right? Unless there's some setting I can use to change that. So what happens is, up till so far, if I put in 2,000 in there, it doesn't matter what I put in there under 5,000, it will always come up at 5,000. So I happened to notice by mistake when I was in here, I was going, alright, well, let's clock up the speed a little bit to 10,000. Well, I normally cut at about 9,000, so let me show you what happens at 9,000, which is my regular cutting speed. See, nothing. No spindle speed increase, nothing's happened. Ergo, my belief that nothing was working with the spindle. However, in testing the speed that the spindles can run to for the pulley setup, I happened to by mistake go in here and put in 20,000 instead of 2,000, and voila, the spindle has sped up. But the spindle's now moved from 5,000 to 12,000 instead of 20. So I've had a look at the calibration screen inside Mac, and no matter what I do or change in there, none of this seems to change. If you could possibly point me towards some way of calibrating the speed in Mac with the speed displayed on the spindle, that might solve quite a few of the problems in terms of spindle speed. So for what it's worth, spindle speed control is working. So some good news, some forward motion on that. Cheers, Chris out.